Guys, CamoSquid here. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have my 2x2x3 right here, and based on the title, I'm sure you can assume what this video is going to be, because you know that tends to be why things are titled the way they are. But I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the 2x2x3 Rubik's Cube in that order. So yeah, first, now for me, I feel like it's kind of hard sometimes to do it, so I just kind of turn it like two ways at once, kind of, like, I don't know, see if I can get it, turn it this way, and then like turn it that way or something, but eventually, once you're able to, the edge should pop out, or a corner, it depends on how you're able to do it, but you pretty much just do that, and the rest of it, you just keep moving pieces around, spin them, and it will all come apart. Now you'll notice that there's two pieces that won't come out. These are actually part of the cube. The only way you can disassemble this part is if you were to unscrew it and remove it, because you'll notice, see if I can get this out of the way, but you'll notice that it's attached right there. There's a good view. It's attached to this piece up here, the center. So there you go. Now you have your 2x2x3 disassembled, and I'm going to cut here and we'll get into reassembling it. Alright, now I should probably mention quickly that this is a Mofang G cube. Now I don't know what the layouts of any other 2x2x3 cubes are like, but I do know this is Mofang G. I'll put it up on screen so you know how to spell it if that matters to you at all. That way you know if you have the same cube or not. So what you'll notice is you only have two edges, and that's because there only are two edges, and the other two are currently already on the cube, and the rest will be corners. There's 8 corners, and there's 8 of these pieces. Show you that really quick. Looks like that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your two edges and essentially just put them in where they need to go, like so, and the rest of the cube, once you get this in, will be fairly easy. I'm just gonna put this in here really quick. Maybe if you turn it, it may help you, but alright. Alright, and there we go. Now we have the 4 edges completely around the cube. Now, the next thing you'll want to do, this is up to you, the order. You can put one of these small pieces in, and then do the corner, like so, and then do the corner, or you can do the corner and then put the piece in. Obviously it doesn't matter. So we have this, then we want, what I like to do is work around the cube, so I'll put that in, then I'll put the corner in, then I'll put another one in, and so on. Maybe easier for you if you angle the cube down like so, or up. Alright, so change of plans. It's probably easier if you don't put the edges in first. We'll do those last, but you just want to do one whole side, and then you'll do the other side. So we'll do all of this, and then we'll do the other layer. So once again, put that piece in, doesn't matter where. Here it is. Then I don't need this one. Then you'll put in the corner, you just slide it in like so. I'm actually not going to do this one because I don't have that piece in yet. So the blue and orange corner right here, just put that in there. Make sure you don't get any hairs in it because that will be annoying eventually. I mean, you can pull them out, but I don't know. Personally, I just think that's annoying just to have in there. Green, yellow, and orange. You just want to make sure that when you put the corner in, you get this piece inside or in between the two center pieces right here. Now we'll do the blue, orange, and white corner, and the green, orange, and white corner, like so. Now we can do the second half. You can see that there's like a cavity right here, these 4 spots. You just want to take one of these and each of them and just put it in, and it'll be a circle all the way around. Oops. Now this isn't entirely stable, so if you want to put it on a table or on the ground or something, or if you just hold it like this, you should be good. Just hold it tight. Or like this, you can hold it both ways. That holds it both ways. Just want to put these 4 remaining pieces in. Now you notice that there's only 2 left and 4 spots for this to go. There isn't the other 2 edges. That's what that whole thing is technically is essentially the piece right there. If you look, you can see that this piece looks very similar to the bottom of this piece. But anyways, now the order is up to you if you want to put the corner in and then that once again. I'm going to put this in and then the corner, or then this. And once again, spin it if you have to. You're just gonna work around. If you do end up spinning it like this, just make sure you take this piece out just so it's not in the way, or however you end up doing it. You can reinsert that later on. But once again, you just want to put this in, turn it, and actually, you don't want these to be in a position where the edge is going to be. So you want to, sorry about that, you're going to turn it all the way to the end. And then put the corner in. Make sure you put it in right. Again, turn it if you have to. And then you want to put the other corner in. Here it is. Now we've got this end completely done, and we just want to put in this last one. Put this corner in there. Don't worry about the edges just yet. Oh, we want to once again put that back in. See, almost forgot about that. Don't want to forget about that. And put the final, whatever this is, in here, just like so. Now this whole thing comes together relatively easily. Put this last corner in. Just want to work it a little bit till it gets there. And then I found it easy if you turn it like this, then those are stable, and you'll just put it in, put one side in, and then push the other side in. And same thing with the last one. Turn them a little bit, put one side down, and then the other side will go in. It's very simple. Move your cube around a little bit, kind of get it loosened up and stuff, or tightened, whatever. Just sort of. Now, I don't know about yours, but mine pops like a lot. It doesn't pop, it like locks up a lot, and it gets annoying. Especially when I'm trying to solve it fast. But that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn notifications on to join the Squid Army so you never miss out when I upload new videos. I'll stop wasting your time. Enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one.
Invincible.
Make sure you subscribe and join the Squid Army today so you never miss out when I upload new videos. Speaking of which, here's my most recent video. Check it out now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.